Hello everyone, today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. This kit is suitable for all key lost situation or just programming an extra key. Make sure to cut the key blade first before you begin programming. This kit is compatible with 2005 to 2017 Ford Expedition. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option to save money. This tool will work on aftermarket or the original key. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key with the kit. Once you use this programmer, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it many times in your vehicle, but not in any other vehicle for security reason. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD port. Once you connect it, select the make. Press Enter. Select the model. Press Enter. Select the year of your car. Then press Enter. Next, the screen will say the whole process will take 10 minutes to complete. Press Enter to continue. Now you need to insert the new key into the ignition and turn to on position. Do not start the car. Then press Enter. You'll hear a beeping sound to indicate that the 10 minutes countdown has started. We will cut the video short and come back after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you'll hear a beeping tone, which means that the key chip programming was successful. Unplug the tool and let's test the key. It is working. And you're all done with chip programming. If you have more key to program, you need to repeat the steps. If your vehicle has remote head key, you'll need to program the remote separately. We'll demonstrate how to program the remote portion in just a few seconds. Ensure all key fob, if available, are on hand before initiating the remote portion programming procedure. To begin the remote programming procedure, ensure that the driver door is left open. Next, press unlock button located on the driver door. Do not depress brake pedal during this programming procedure. Turn ignition from off to run 8 times within 10 seconds. With the 8th time ending in run, door locks will cycle to confirm programming mode. Within 20 seconds, press any button on first remote. Door locks will cycle to confirm programming. Repeat pressing any button of any more remotes you want to program. Then turn ignition to off. Locks will again cycle to indicate end of programming mode. Test all remotes and you're all done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.